You see these three ingredients in front of me? Ginger, garlic, black seed powder. They recently worked a miracle in my body. I was having catarrh, sore throat, chest congestion, cough, so bad it was making me feel very feverish. So I was just like, what do I know that can help? Okay, ginger, garlic, I know. But what else? It now occurred to me, black seed powder, and I have it at home. I now combine the three together, drank it. Oh Lord, immediately I drank it, my eyes were just going like this. I slept, and by the time I woke up, I felt like a new being. A few days later, Andrew too started exhibiting the same symptoms. I just gingerly packed everything and did the same thing for him. He slept overnight, he woke up in the morning, everything gone. That's when I said, this one, I must show you people. So let me show you how I made it. And that's how easy it is to make. For myself, I used 1 teaspoon of the black seed powder. For my son, I used half teaspoon of the black seed powder. You see the garlic, just crush it, no need to peel it, wash it clean, both the garlic and the ginger. Just wash it clean, crush the garlic, slice the ginger. And yes, this is the black seed powder I used, Freshola. It's from Freshola. Let me read something from the back for you. Black seed is a plant that has been used for medicinal purposes for over 2,000 years. So you can imagine, it helps rejuvenate the body. It is highly nutritional and immune boosting. It is a good relaxant and helps digestion. You can see that. So order your own. By the way, drink it warm, not hot. So let it cool down a bit to warm, then you can drink it.